So, if you want to hide your TikTok videos from one specific person, this tutorial will show you simple methods to do it. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile section. Now, open the video that you want to hide from someone. After that, tap on the three-dot menu on the side of the video. Here, swipe through the options and tap on Privacy Settings. Now, you'll see the visibility option set to everyone. If the person is not following you or isn't your friend on TikTok, you can change this setting to Friends. Once you do that, the video will only be visible to your followers that you follow back. This is the easiest method to hide a TikTok video from a specific person without deleting the post. So yeah, these are the two best ways to hide TikTok videos from one person using TikTok privacy settings in just a few easy steps.